Hello my friends, Ellen here. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. It's another cold and chilly day outside and I was craving some hot chocolate. But instead of the traditional hot chocolate, we're going to make something special. Hot cocoa bombs. Oh yes. I've been seeing these all over the internet and I decided to make some myself. And we're going to use my silicone mold that I got for Christmas. And my friend, this is the bomb.com delicious. This would be your new favorite hot cocoa. And these also would make great gifts that you can give to your loved ones for the holidays and Valentine's Day coming up. These would be perfect. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my hot cocoa recipes playlist and my previous video, creamy potato soup. I'll post a link to those down below in the description box. So grab your chocolate chips, your sprinkles, and heat up your milk sugar because we're about to make some hot cocoa bombs magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my large bowl, I have one 12-ounce package of semi-sweet chocolate chips. I'm just going to put them in the microwave and let them melt all the way. Alright my friends, our chocolate chips is nice and melted. Nice and smooth. And also you can use candy melts or the chocolate bars. Alright, that looks great. Now we're ready to make our bombs. Over here I have my chocolate silicone mold. We're going to brush 6 of them. So we're going to spoon a tablespoon of the chocolate. And using my brush, we're just going to brush them all over. And make sure you coat them all the way, because if you miss them, they'll break on you. Just like that. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish brushing the rest of my molds and I'll bring you back. Alrighty my friends, I'm through coating my molds. So now we're going to let them sit for about 10 to 15 minutes and then we're going to do a second coating after that. And I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, it's been 15 minutes. Now it's time to coat. Just add in a tablespoon. Like so. Just going to brush it all around. And the second coating will give us a nice even coating of chocolate. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish coating them and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I'm through coating the molds. Has a nice even coating. So now we're going to let them sit for about 25 to 30 minutes at room temperature. And I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, our chocolate molds is nice and hardened. So now we're going to gently take them off. Be very careful. Come on. There we go, just like that. Then I'll place them on top of my muffin pan. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and take the rest of my molds out and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I carefully got all my chocolate molds. So now we're ready to fill them up. Over here in this bowl, I have some mini marshmallows and some hot cocoa mix. I'm using the package or you can use homemade. And over here I have a hot plate. We're going to take one of the molds and we're going to let the edges melt just for a little bit. And we're going to fill 1 tablespoon of the hot cocoa mix and about a heaping tablespoon of mini marshmallows. And then we're going to take the other chocolate mold, going to dunk it onto the hot plate. And then we're going to cover it up. We're going to seal it so it stays closed. Just like that. All right, I'm going to go ahead and finish with the rest of my cocoa bombs and I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, I got all my hot cocoa bombs together. I put them on my cake stand. Now it's time to decorate them. Over here in this bowl, I have some milk chocolate chips that I melted. And I have some rainbow sprinkles. You can use chocolate sprinkles, you can use white sprinkles, whatever your heart desires. We're going to drizzle the chocolate right on top. Now we're going to add the sprinkles. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Hot cocoa bombs. But wait, there's one more thing we got to do. It's time for the magic. So I'm going to heat up some hot milk. So we're going to pour the milk right on top. And voila, isn't that gorgeous? You see how it melts the chocolate and all the marshmallows puff up? Now that is some mighty fine hot chocolate. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. All right, here we go. Cheers. Decadent and chocolatey. Nothing like a cup of hot chocolate on a cold day. Definitely warms up the soul. I know it's a lot of steps, but I promise it is worth it. This is phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another sip. And the marshmallow just melts in your mouth. Yum-o. Hot cocoa bomblicious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my Southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Home and Delights on Facebook or Instagram. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email. ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Much love, stay safe, and stay warm. Cheers!